The video coming in from Buckhead Ridge on the edge of Okeechobee Lake, and there's really not much damage, but I mean, there is a bunch of limbs laying all over the place. I guess it was the county. They had already come out and taken all the stuff off the road. The only thing I can see that we kind of lost, but they'll grow back anyway. Banana trees. It messed them up. The other banana trees back there, there was like 4 of them that fell on the ground, so. But yeah, they're like weeds. You can't get rid of them. Hey, look, the hibiscus is blooming. Oh, look, big old lizard. The big female agama. We got curly tails and agamas, and I seen an Argentinian freaking I can't even remember the name of it. It was ouch. We got stickers in our yard. I'm trying not to get stuck. Them things hurt. Oh, yeah. I mean, it's not bad out here, really. Don't see any damage on the house, so that's good. But, anyway. I'm gonna go back in the house. I'm hungry. Peace, everybody.